Forewarn Weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Looking at Dagny, she's out.
She's like, I'm just chilling. It's been a long week.
She's resting up. She has a lot of barking to do tomorrow evening when the trick-or-treaters come by.
Oh,
so
I
you have to
gotcha.
conserve energy and just kind of prepare for that. The trick-or-treaters, odds are going to be wet tomorrow evening, especially later in the day. So, yeah, she's in power save mode right now. Out to our west, that's where all the rain is hanging out this morning. A check of the radar network shows all of that through Oklahoma and Texas. That's where they're talking about the potential of flooding issues over the next 24 hours. Now, the setup for heavier rain is going to shift to the east. We're not talking about flooding problems around here, but we are talking about an unsettled weekend forecast. Potential for over an inch of rain around here. The heavier rainfall amounts, 3 inches plus, going to stay down to our south in these whiter shaded areas here as we add up the precipitation accumulation using a computer model. It's a slow moving storm system. It's going to kind of come at us in chunks. So we're talking about some rain moving in tomorrow and then more rain and some thunderstorms on the way tomorrow night into Sunday as well. The good news longer down the line is that we're talking about above average temperatures by the middle of next week. 10 to 15 degrees above normal around here, 20 degrees above average as you head up towards the Great Lakes. But that's by the middle of next week when everybody's back at work. We're not going to get that around here in time for the weekend and some time off. Looking outside this morning, chilly temperatures, and we're watching for some fog. Seeing really okay visibilities right now from the Webb School and Bell Buckle, but quite a bit of fog with that contrast between the chilly air and still the relatively warm water of the Tennessee River as it runs right near downtown Clifton in Wayne County. Looking all right in West Nashville. Obviously, the Harpeth River, the Cumberland River run through Metro Nashville, but not seeing a lot of fog to slow down the morning commute. But it is chilly out there. 40 degrees right now in Nashville with 30s surrounding the urban heat island of Metro Nashville. 36 degrees right now in Spring Hill and Murfreesboro, even 34 degrees in Lebanon. Area wide, the chilliest spot is 33 degrees right now in Cookeville. A couple other spots at 40. Cookeville exactly 40 degrees. 42 degrees right now in Fayetteville and in Camden. Those are the warmest locations on the map, and even those are 3 degrees below average. No worries about rain for today. We're just going to see increasing clouds by tonight, so that leaves us with a lot of sunshine for today. All that cloud cover hanging out to our west, but it's going to continue thickening up overnight tonight. I'd bundle up a little bit heading out to high school football games this evening. Temperatures will drop into the low 50s. We'll bottom out in the mid 40s and then climb as the clouds thicken overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Dry to start the day tomorrow. All the rain's going to be out to our west, but it's going to get closer and closer to us. We're still going to be dry by midday into early afternoon. So any early day activities, even into the early afternoon hours, looking okay. But here comes that more widespread rain into southwestern Middle Tennessee already before the sun goes down and spreading across the mid-state right at the peak of trick-or-treating time for late afternoon into the early evening hours. We're not talking about flooding problems. We're not talking about severe weather, but we are talking about a pretty damp forecast, and it's going to remain unsettled tomorrow night with scattered showers. So it's not going to rain everywhere all the time beginning tomorrow afternoon all the way through the rest of the weekend, but we are talking about more scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for the second half of the weekend on Sunday as well. 7-day forecast does show a break from the rain chances, but it doesn't arrive until Monday night and Tuesday. Once we get that break, it'll stick around for a few days with temperatures in the mid 70s, well above average for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's just not going to be a very nice weather pattern for the Halloween weekend. Melanie?
All right, thanks, Paul.